Hello guys, we meet again to the another assemble video. Let's assemble this one first. This is T-Rex. No. Nice. Now tighten the screw with screwdriver. No. Let's do the same to the other side. Let's assemble the tail. Now, let's find the leg and the arm. Leg. No, small. This one. And this is the arm. Tighten the screw. Let's do the same to the other side. This is the leg. And then this is the bottom. Dinosaurs right here. Put it down here. Now let's assemble the next dinosaur, which is this one, mozasaurs. First, we need to find the skin first. Yep. And then this is the underskin. Nice. Now let's assemble the skin head and then the jaw. Yep. Nice. Then this is the jaw. Yep. Mozasaurs here. Put it down here. Now let's assemble the next dinosaur, which is dimetrodon. Dimetrodon here. Let's find the leg first. Over this. Real leg. Nice. Now, let them do one. Into the side. There. And this is for the front. Nice. Let them with the bolt. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now we have to dimetrodon here. Down here. Oops, the pilot fell. Now, oops, we forget to assemble the armor. last one is mozasaurs. And then this is mosaic. And then about 1, 2, 3. Same to the other side. Oops, but we need to assemble the ribs first. Ribs. On the front leg. And about 1, 2, 3. Now we have mozasaurs here. Mozasaurs robot. We have mozasaurs, the real one. We have the wax, Tyrannosaurus wax. And the last one is we have dimetrodon. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you on the another assemble video. Bye.